Hello everyone, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, June 24th, 2025, we're taking a close look at Intel Corporation, ticker symbol Intel. We'll combine a review of recent news with a detailed analysis of INTC's chart data to give you the insights you need. First, let's dive into some recent news headlines. We see that eFund Management Hong Kong Company Limited recently acquired additional shares of Intel, increasing their stake significantly. Other institutional investors like Norges Bank and Toronto Dominion Bank have also adjusted their positions. According to recent reports, analysts have mixed ratings on Intel, with an average rating of hold and an average price target of around $21.57. Some analysts have reduced their price targets recently, indicating caution. Intel also recently appointed new sales and engineering leaders. Now, let's switch over to the daily chart to see what the technicals are telling us. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see a period of volatility over the past year. Back in early August 2024, the price dropped significantly, falling from the 30s down to the low 20s. From there, it struggled to sustain any significant upward momentum. If we narrow in on more recent candles, from early June 2025 onward, we can see that Intel has been trading in a relatively tight range, bouncing between $20 and $22. This could indicate consolidation before a potential breakout or breakdown. The most recent candle shows a slight decline, potentially indicating some short-term bearish pressure. However, we're still within the established range. The news of institutional investors increasing their positions could be a bullish signal in the long term. But the mixed analyst ratings suggest some uncertainty. Now, let's take a look at the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see even more detail on the intraday price movements. There's a clear resistance level around $21.30 where the price has failed to break through multiple times. Zooming in further to the last few days, we can see Intel has been attempting to test a resistance around the $21.20 to $21.30 range. If it breaks above this level with significant volume, we could see a potential run-up. However, failure to break this level could lead to a pullback towards the $20.50 support level. So, what are the key levels to watch? First, resistance around $21.30. A break above this level could lead to a short-term bullish move towards $22. The current support is around $20.50. A break below it could trigger a bearish move towards $20 or even lower. Based on the chart data, my unbiased prediction would be a continuation of the range-bound trading, at least in the short term. I'd say there's a 60% chance of this, and a sustained breakout above $21.30 would raise the probability of a bullish move. Keep an eye out for earnings reports or other major news events that could act as a catalyst for a more significant move. Remember to always do your own research and consider your individual risk tolerance before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.